Okay, I was going to hold up until I make it home, but since December 31st, this is going to be another year, and I decided to make this special video over here. And this is finally Jonghyun's novel, The Skeleton Key. And I'd be surprised because the box is pretty, as you can see, pretty small. Yes, it's probably light because we're at park, but it's pretty small. I have a carton color on my glove drawer. I don't know what I have like this, but it's pretty small right now. I cannot wait. It's supposed to be going to work in like half an hour, so decided I picked it up already at the post office. I just want to show you. Just give me a second. Okay, I managed to open it. Let's see how this looks like. Oh no, it's as small as a CD. Actually, I can't believe I got this because this is in Korean. I don't know how to read in Korean yet, so this is kind of wow what I did. But it's Jonghyun, SHINee, trying to support his work, and yeah, it's a way to support because I already have, in case on J-Rock, I have Hyde's biography. It's completely Japanese. I already own it. So I want to do the same with Jong, just supporting his work. So here it is. So small. It was given at the coax. So this is came to the stickers. So this was sent by a fan who went to SM Student Cox building to buy this book. Pretty stickers, I love it. Okay. Here it is. It's as small as a freaking CD. Let me get the card again. I hope I don't damage this book. I'll try to open it. Yes, I'm in my car. Yes, it's a Korean brand card. But I cannot wait to do this. Give a fast overview of the book. So let's see, it has any pictures or something. Oh, yes, have pictures. Okay. I'm going a little bit fast because I know it's completely Korean, so got to go through the pages so you can see a little bit of it. It's going fast, it's pretty heavy. I think some fan pages started to translate the whole thing, and I hope it does because yeah, let's roll. Oh, and that's it. That's the book, and yeah, I got it. I want to show you real fast. And yes, here is the famous Jonghyun's book, The Skeleton Key. Excuse me, skeleton flower. Excuse me, sorry, skeleton flower. Why is it skeleton key? It's skeleton flower. Okay, thank you. Bye.